Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we have something truly special for you, the ultimate Christmas cake recipe. Get ready to create a masterpiece that will impress your friends and family this holiday season. To start off, let's gather all our ingredients. You will need 200 grams of butter, 200 grams of brown sugar, 4 eggs, 200 grams of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, and 300 grams of mixed dried fruits. In a mixing bowl, cream together the butter and brown sugar until light and fluffy. Then, slowly add in the eggs, one at a time, ensuring each one is fully incorporated. Next, sift in the flour, baking powder, and mixed spice. Fold the dry ingredients into the butter mixture until you have a smooth batter. Now it's time to add in the star of the show, the mixed dried fruits. This is where the real Christmas magic happens. Gently fold in the fruits, making sure they are evenly distributed throughout the batter. Once everything is well combined, pour the batter into a greased and lined cake tin. Smooth the top with a spatula, ensuring it's level. Now, let's pop our cake into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. Keep an eye on it, as baking times may vary. While the cake is baking, let's move on to the next step, the decoration. Once the cake has cooled completely, we're going to cover it with a layer of marzipan. Roll out the marzipan into a thin sheet and carefully drape it over the cake, smoothing it out with your hands. Finally, it's time to add the finishing touch, the icing. Roll out some white icing and lay it over the marzipan. Smooth it out, ensuring the sides are neatly covered. Now, get creative with your decorations. You can use edible glitter, sugar snowflakes, or even mini Christmas trees. Let your imagination run wild. And there you have it, a deliciously festive Christmas cake that will leave everyone in awe. This is the perfect centerpiece for any holiday gathering. So go ahead, give it a try and spread the joy this Christmas. Thanks for watching our video and we hope you enjoyed this ultimate Christmas cake recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more festive treats. Happy baking and happy holidays!